What's up, guys? Today, we're showing my wife 3 more car parts with a dog. Yeah, here we go.
That looks like it's like a, what are those? The accordions. Um, it's a shock? Question mark?
Yes.
That's an air filter.
Woo!
I knew it. Did I know it? Was
Yeah.
I right? Those are springs. They're they're inside your tires things, and it's when it absorbs like when you're going over the rough roads, and like springs for so it's not like craziness.
Perfect. 3 out of 3 again this week. She's on a roll. See you guys next week.
What was the first one?
It's an axle.